This is a two-part epoxy resin, and what I'm showing you here is that part A, which is the resin, part B is the hardener. This part A is very thick and very sluggish, while you look at the hardener and it's moving around in the bottle just fine. So you notice the contrast that the hardener is very liquid and fluid and the resin is not. This becomes an issue when you're mixing and pouring the resin, because if it's too thick, it will not allow the bubbles to work their way up and pop. So to fix this, what I do is I warm it up. This is a space heater. I prop the bottle of resin up on a chair and put it as close as I dare to the space heater, and periodically I'll just turn it around to get all sides. And then when it is warm enough, and I periodically will test it, you'll notice that it makes quite a difference. So now if I do that same exercise, and you can actually feel the weight. They're different viscosity, but even still, with it warmed up a little bit, it's a lot thinner. The bubbles will pop and raise through the resin easier when you apply it. It'll go on thinner, so it is well worth doing. You can also do this with a warm bath of water instead of a space heater. I've tried that, it works well too. But you definitely don't want to use resin when it is too cold. And you also want to avoid moisture, because moisture will cause problems too. So that is warming resin.